I'm very happy to receive your homeworks and you all are improving really good. All are following my instructions. That makes me really happy. And I'm even giving my reviews and remarks via WhatsApp. So do check that and improve and follow the instructions I'm giving you. I'm really happy and excited in watching the upcoming homeworks and instructions which you're following of mine. I know. So coming back to the class. पिछली क्लास में हम लोगों ने क्या स्टार्ट किया था स्टूडेंट्स? We started a new lesson that was lesson 2 word names. Right students? पिछली क्लास में we studied 1 to 10. Yeah, first 10 words with their meanings. And I also told you examples of some sentences as well. So आज की क्लास में हम उन्हीं 10 word meanings को दोबारा देखेंगे. And this class we will write sentences. Yes, we will make sentences using those words. So my dear students, are you ready for the class? Take out your textbook, your notebook, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. So students, last class 10 words हमने देखे थे with their meanings and today I'll give you particular sentence which as an example for those words, and also you have to write sentences which will be your homework. Okay, so the first word was ability, the capacity or power to do something, right? So I told you, I explained you किसी के पास particular ability या capacity हो, so we can make a sentence of that. The girl has the ability to read minds. The girl has the ability to read minds. Okay, इसमें हम लोगों ने ability word use किया. लड़की का ability क्या है? To read minds. That's her ability. Okay. The second word, abolish. To put an end to. End. I told you, end मतलब खत्म करना. किसी चीज को खत्म करना, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Abolish. So we can make a sentence for this. Many people fought to abolish slavery. बहुत से लोगों ने slavery को खत्म करने के लिए लड़ाई लड़ी, युद्ध किए. Okay, so many people fought to abolish slavery. Abolish, abolish खत्म करने के लिए. क्या खत्म करने के लिए? Slavery खत्म करने के लिए. Okay, so this was the sentence for the word, second word, that was abolish. The third word, abound, meaning to be plentiful. Abound, to be plentiful मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा होना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा होना. So for this we can have an example. The lakes and rivers of Siberia are abound in fish. The lakes and rivers of Siberia are abound in fish. मतलब साइबेरिया के lakes and rivers मछलियों से भरे हुए हैं. Abound बहुत ज़्यादा, plentiful of fish. So just a simple sentence, the lakes and rivers of Siberia are abound in fish. Write this sentence in your notebook. Now also leave 2 lines for you to write a new sentence. Okay, आपको नया sentence बनाना है उस word को use करके. Okay, so fourth word, academy. What was the meaning? An institution devoted to the study of arts and science. Institution devoted to study of arts and science. Particular subjects को पढ़ने के लिए कोई institution बनाना, right? So for that we have just a simple sentence that I want to join Naval Academy. I want to join Naval Academy. कोई academy है, एक Naval Academy है, मैं उसे join करना चाहता हूँ. Just a simple meaning for that. I want to join Naval Academy. A simple sentence. Okay. Next sentence will be written by you, so leave 2 lines for that. Fifth word, adjacent, meaning next to. Adjacent meaning next to. So कहीं भी कोई पोजीशन है आपका, जस्ट उसके बाद की पोजीशन को हम एडजेसेंट कहेंगे. सो देयर इज अ सिंपल सेंटेंस आई एम गिविंग टू यू फॉर दैट. माय हाउस इज एडजेसेंट टू योर्स. मतलब मेरे घर के जस्ट बगल में अगर किसी का घर है तो मैं ऐसे कहूँगी माय हाउस इज एडजेसेंट टू योर्स. मीन्स माय हाउस इज नेक्स्ट टू योर हाउस, राइट? सो जस्ट अ सिंपल सेंटेंस, माय हाउस इज एडजेसेंट टू योर्स. ओके. सिक्स्थ वर्ड, afraid, meaning scared. Afraid meaning scared. मैंने पिछले क्लास में बताया था किसी से हम डरे हुए होते हैं, किसी से कुछ बात करने में या कहने में हम डरते हैं, मिलने में डरते हैं. So at that time we can use the word afraid. When we are scared we can use the word afraid. So just a simple sentence for that. I am afraid to meet her. I am afraid to meet her. Write this sentence in your notebook. Also write the meaning and also write this sentence. Okay. I am afraid to meet her. Okay. Seventh word, aged. What is said? Aged, meaning old. बूढ़ा. Okay, aged means old, जिनकी उम्र हो चुकी है. We call them aged. So instead of the word old, जैसे हम कहते हैं he is an old man, so instead we can say he is aged. Okay, so a simple sentence for that. My servants are aged. मतलब मेरे servants बूढ़े हो गए हैं. So I will be just simply saying it. My servants are aged. My servants are aged. Okay, write this in your notebook. My servants are aged. Eighth word, assist. To help someone. To help someone. किसी की मदद करना. तो हम उस term के लिए single word क्या है? Assist. For example, I'm giving you a sentence. She wants to assist Mr. Roy. She wants to assist Mr. Roy. मतलब वो क्या चाहती है? वो Mr. Roy की मदद करना चाहती है. वो Mr. Roy को assist करना चाहती है. So that's why we will be saying she wants to assist Mr. Roy. Okay. Ninth word, astronaut. Astronaut. How to be spelling? Astronaut. Meaning a space traveler. Astronaut, a space traveler. ये चीज़ मैंने बहुत अच्छे से आपको इसकी मीनिंग पिछली क्लास में एक्सप्लेन की थी. Someone who travels space. So इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? Space traveler who travels the space. We can give a simple sentence for that. I want to be an astronaut. मैं एक एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ. So I can just simply give a simple sentence. I want to be an astronaut. I want to be an astronaut. Okay, next sentence आपको बनाना है astronaut word को use करके. Okay, kids. Now finally the 10th word, that is ancestor. Ancestor means forefather. बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो हमारे पूर्वज होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Ancestor. Just like I told you the last class. Father, grandfather, great grandfather, and बहुत 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 ऊपर के कोई होते हैं तो we call them forefathers. Okay. So one single term for them is ancestors. What is that? Ancestor. So I can give you an example for this word. These maps are made by my ancestors. इन maps को मेरे पूर्वजों ने बनाया है. So this is just a simple sentence. These maps are made by my ancestors. Okay. We completed our 10 words with their meanings and also with the sentences. पिछली क्लास में हम लोगों ने मीनिंग्स डिस्कस किया था. इस क्लास में हम लोगों ने सेंटेंसेस को प्रॉपर्ली डिस्कस किया है. As I said to you, leave 2 lines after every sentence so that you can make new sentences for yourself using these words, which is going to be your homework for the day. So students, I hope you understood very nicely how to make sentences using these words. As I said at the beginning, that you have to write the sentence which I am giving you and leave space for the sentence that you are going to write. Am I right? So your homework is this only. Your homework is to write or make sentences using these words, and then you will be sending me your homework. Okay students, I will be waiting for your homework.